Funda.
Let's learn how to greet. Asifundeni ukubingelela. Kom ons leer hoe om te groet. Harry hoe dumedisa. Hello. Sawubona. Dumela. Hello. Good morning. Sawubona. Dumela. Goeiemôre. How are you? Unjani? Ozwang? Hoe gaan dit? I am well, thanks. And how are you? Ngiyaphila, wena unjani? Ngiyaphila, wena uzwang? Goed, dankie, my dear. Did you know that South Africa has 12 languages? Afrikaans, English, Ndebele, Pedi, Sotho, South African Sign Language, Swati, Tsonga, Tswana, Venda, Xhosa, and Zulu. I am well, thanks. Nami ngiyaphila. Lena ngiyaphila. Goed, dankie. What is your name? Ungubani igama lakho? Lebitso la hao ke mang? Wat is your naam? My name is Teacher Rato. Igama lam ngu Teacher Rato. Lebitso laka ke Teacher Rato. My naam is Juffrou Rato. Did you know that in South Africa, our surnames have clan names that tell a generational history of our bloodline?
Did you know that the lyrics of the South African national anthem employ the first 5 most popular official languages? isiXhosa, isiZulu, Sesotho, Afrikaans, and English. Remember, friends, that every language is special and important. Khumbulani bangani, wonke amalimi abalulekile futhi akhethekile. Goodbye. Nisaleni kahle. Salang hantle. Totsiens. Ziqhenye ngolwimi lakho. Be proud of your language.